Hi, my name is Olivia, and today, to celebrate St. Patrick's Day, we're preparing some Irish-inspired food. So we're going to make an Irish beef and potato stew with sour cream and chives. You could add some rice, or you could add some bread buns to go with it if you wanted. A nice 45-minute recipe to prepare a stew, which is a little miracle in itself, but even better if you can prepare it the day in advance, because this one just gets better and better when you reheat it. Let's get started. So first, remove the beef strips from the fridge. Pat them dry with a kitchen paper. Then peel and chop the potatoes, carrots, onion and garlic. You can slice the beef bacon, boil the measured water, and dissolve the stock cube in the water. Just give it a nice little stir. Heat a large non-stick pan with half of the butter and half of the oil over medium-high heat. Once hot, add the beef strips and the chopped beef bacon and fry for 2 to 3 minutes until browned. Transfer them to a large pot afterwards. Now you can add the potatoes, carrots, onion and garlic to the pot, and a generous pinch of salt as well as the remaining butter and oil. Cook for 3 minutes. Sprinkle with the flour and mix well. Add the tomato paste and then stir for 1 to 2 minutes further. Now you can pour the chicken stock, the Worcestershire sauce, the Dijon mustard, bay leaves, thyme and black pepper to the pot. Bring to a light simmer, then cover with a lid and reduce the heat to low. Cook for 25 to 30 minutes until the potatoes and carrots are fully soft. During this time, stir occasionally and add a splash of water if needed. Season with salt and black pepper. And you can always taste as you go and add the seasoning as you like. Finally, chop the chives. Now you can divide the stew among shallow bowls and garnish with a dollop of sour cream and the chopped chives. Enjoy! So that's it, maximum 45 minutes and you've got this beautiful Irish stew in front of you. I can't wait to taste this, the kitchen smells gorgeous. If you like this video, I invite you to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up and come and join us for a nice St. Patrick's Day dinner. Bon appétit!